Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to use your Python code in order to get cell phone location. So for this purpose you need your account on OpenCage in order to get their API. So when you log in into your account, you are going to find the tab geocoding API. So you are going to scroll down and you are going to get that API in order for this project to work. And for now there is one free plan that I'm using. And about everything else that you are going to do, you are going to read their documentation in order to avoid possible misunderstanding. So when you get your API, open your Visual Studio Code or actually any other text editor that you are using. And my recommendation is to have additional file in this project. I call that file my data. And that file contains only two strings. Contains my phone number and contains my API that I got from OpenCage. And as you probably know, this is strictly for educational purposes. And everything that you do with this knowledge is, of course, your own responsibility. In order for this to work, you need two packages. Let me show you. So if you don't have them installed, please install it in this way. So I'm going to use pip install. First package it's OpenCage, and the second one it's phone numbers minus break. So I already have these packages installed, so I don't need to do that again. Now let's do coding. So first we are going to import those packages. So from OpenCage geocoder I am going to import OpenCage geocoder. Now import phone numbers, import phone numbers geocoder, and now from my data import phone, and from my data import my key. I call it my key. So as I said, those are two strings. In here I'm keeping my phone number, and in here I'm keeping my OpenCage API. Now we need decoder, and I'm going to use OpenCage geocoder, and I'm going to provide my key as argument. Now with ph I'm going to call phone numbers, and we are going to parse this number, my phone number, because phone number needs to be in specific form in order to be used by this package. Now we are going to get location with phone numbers geocoder description for number, and we are going to provide two arguments in here. We are going to provide that number, and we are going to provide country code, language code, sorry, EN for English. Now with query I am going to say that is string location. So we are providing this location in form of string to this query. And now what is the result? Result is decoder, so this object where we passed my key. So OpenCage geocoder, so decoder, geocode, and query. I am passing query to it. Okay, and now we need latitude and longitude. Actually in here you are going to have a ton of different information about number aside from location, and if you want to print all of that, you are just going to print entire result to the screen, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take a latitude, and I'm going to get latitude like this. From geometry, first I want latitude, and LNG for longitude, result also 0, also geometry, and I'm going to provide LNG. All right. Now I'm just going to need to save this code and to run this code. And don't worry about these error messages, it's completely fine. I'm just going to print latitude and print longitude of the screen. I'm going to run this code. Voila. This is my location. Now I'm going to open Google Maps, and my Google Maps present location, it's Russian Far East. This is Japan and China, and I'm in Southeast Europe, at least last time when I checked. All right, so what I'm going to need, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change this link in order to get my proper location. And how I'm going to do that, I'm going to take this string, so for latitude, I'm going to copy it in here, and I'm going to paste it. That second string, of course you can do all of this from the code, but in this way it's more interesting to me. And I'm going to press enter now. All right, I'm back in Europe. Yeah, it's pretty precise. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!